Hello, good morning. This is a video that I'm recording for you to practice the pronunciation and the questions that we're going to use for our first interview related to personal information. Remember, it will be for March 19, and this is it. So, the first part of the interview will focus on personal information questions. Okay? So, we will start with questions such as what is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you study? How old are you? What do you study? What semester are you in? Who do you live with? And are you single or married? Okay? Then we will go with family questions. So we will have questions such as do you have a big or a small family? How many people are in your family? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Do you have a pet? What does your father or mother do? What do your what do your siblings do? How old is your father or mother? How old are your siblings? What does your family like to do? And finally, the final part of the interview will be about a character, a very famous person that you're going to select from the list that you can have in the course. So these are the questions that we're going to use. What is his or her name? Where is he or she from? Where does he or she live? What does he or she do? How old is she or she? How old is he or she? Why is he or she famous? Is he or she single or married? How many people are in his or her family? And finally, do you like him or her? Okay, those are the questions that we're going to use. You have to prepare the answers. For preparing those answers, you can use this information. You can have those quizzes online, like the ones we did today in class. You can have a dictionary for pronunciation, word reference, or you can have a website for pronunciation, how do you say? Okay, thank you very much. I will write in an email letting you know when you can you sign for the interview. Have a very nice day.